Tiglon has sent me a number of products to do a review on, and this is one of them I've decided to do first. This is a pair of speakers for your computer. So if you need a pair of speakers with RGB, these might be the baby for you. I'm not sure about the price at the moment because when I checked, they're all out of stock. But what I will do is I will stick a link in the video description for you to go and check them out, and also I will stick the price in there as well so you can see how much they actually cost. I wouldn't have thought they'd be too expensive, but you never know. They look nice and I do like RGB. So with that, come over here, we'll do the unboxing, go through some of the specs and give her a thorough test. Right, in order to save a little bit of time, I've already took them out of the box. So for those who want to have a quick look around the box, here you go. So volume control, attractive design, RGB power indicator, what it says. Active desktop speaker 2.0 X2. And it shows you a little scenario as they've been used and tells you the length of the cable, which is really handy. So it's a 3.5, 130 centimetre volume control USB. That's about it. Get that out of the way. So it has a little volume control on the side. There you go. And the USB is for power only, I'm guessing. That will be to light up the LED on there. And that will be for your audio. Pretty standard, but if you need to separate them further, you just go like that. And job done. So they're both the same length, 1.3 centimetres, no sorry, 130 centimetres or 1.3 metre. Okay, with that we will plug her in and see what the sound of quality will be like. Don't expect it to be fantastic because, push that down there, these are only plastic, so I'm not expecting the sound quality to be fantastic, not as good as my Logitechs, which probably cost a lot more money than what these do. I would imagine these would be around about £20 or less, but we will find out. Let me plug them in, we'll have a look, see what they look like with the light on. Right, can you see that okay? So you can't control the lighting as far as I understand. They are done automatically by the software that's built in. Let me turn my studio lights off because they might look better. Yeah, quite nice, isn't they? Like I said, they're only plastic, so I wouldn't expect them to be fantastic. And what I'm going to do in a minute, once you finish having a look around, is we're going to try it out with some audio, and we're then going to try it out with some music. Like I said, I'm not expecting these to be fantastic quality, but I think they should suit someone out there who's looking for a budget set of speakers, or even a small form factor speakers. These are really small, look at that. So give me a couple of minutes while I sort out the music and the audio. I've actually put a microphone here, so I'm hoping it will pick up both speakers and maybe even stereo. Fingers crossed. So with that, let's get on with some music. Right, let's start with right down, so that's off basically. And that's full volume, and that's going distorted. Right, let's have a look, see what other music I've got. went full volume on that one and it didn't sound distorted. It was getting close, but it wasn't distorted. Right, let me know what you think. I think they're okay for the amount of money you're paying. They're not fantastic and they're never going to be. Not for around £32. You're getting RGB, you're getting stereo, and yeah, they look really nice. I think they look nice anyway. So let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think they're well worth the money or not. It'd be interesting to see what you think of it, or think of them I should say. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. I think they're worth the money.